Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're talking about how you change your Discord appearance into a dark theme, and also how you can change the font size, and a few other components that just overall change the way that Discord is displayed. So the easiest way to access this section of your settings is to go to Discord, obviously, hit the little user settings gear in the lower left-hand portion of your screen, and this brings up your personal user settings. Down here under appearance, the main feature that a lot of people tend to look for is the dark theme. That's the theme that I'm always using in my videos for all of the different things that I do with Discord. Normally, I believe it still tends to look like the light theme, which is where everything is, bright and white and kind of glaring. But me personally, I like to relax my eyes a little bit more with the dark theme. The other settings inside of this panel, besides making everything a darker color, is you can either have the big, bulky sort of display message theme where everything is, as you see here, you've got my name, you've got my icon, you've got the text that I was chatting with, and the date and time that I posted that message, but you can also go to the compact mode where it removes my icon and it just has just the text and the timestamp so that everything can be a lot more compacted, squished together, and take up less space, especially if you use Discord in a window like this, a small window and not maximized. This might help you save some space and make your reading pleasure a little easier. You can also change how big the font is or how zoomed in everything is on the page. So everything is just bigger, bulkier, and in your face. It's also got a colorblind mode, which doesn't seem to look like it has the ability to customize it for different types of color blindness. So hopefully this is a pretty good general purpose colorblind mode. Then down here, we've got a couple other things that are kind of less appearance and more just practical purpose, like hardware acceleration to make the whole thing run a little faster. If you've got better hardware, you can show the games tab in the sidebar, so you can show or hide the fact that Discord Nitro people can buy, sell, and get games in this application itself. I actually don't think you even need Discord Nitro for that. And then, of course, you've got developer mode up here. What developer mode tends to be used for by most people is you enable this to locate somebody's custom ID to send to Discord if you need to report them for something. There's a whole lot of different reasons why you might need to do that. In case you're curious, this is where you find it. Really, when it comes to developer mode, you'll know when you need to use that because you'll have a pretty specific purpose in mind. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you access the Discord appearance tab to change it to the dark theme, which is a little bit easier on the eyes. A lot of people like nighttime mode or dark theme stuff in their applications. And if you're somebody who's got trouble seeing, or your eyes get tired at night and you want to zoom in on things, this is also where you find those functionalities as well. And that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Throw your questions in the comments section below. I'm always happy to help. And I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody.